almost everything you know about the moon is incomplete. For decades, we were told it's a dead, silent rock, a world with no story left to tell. Apollo missions gave us confidence, samples, maps, data, and a sense of closure. But that closure may have been an illusion. Because the moon didn't change, our understanding did. And Artemis II is the mission that forced us to realize it. 4 astronauts launched on what seemed like a routine test flight. Simple, controlled, predictable. No landing, no exploration. Just a journey around the moon and back. But space has a way of turning simple missions into historic ones. When their spacecraft moved behind the moon, everything went quiet. For nearly 40 minutes, they were completely cut off from Earth. No communication, no support, just silence in the unknown. And in that isolation, they did something powerful. They didn't just observe them, they documented. Nearly 10,000 photographs, captured with modern high-resolution cameras. Images filled with shadows, depth, and details Apollo could never record. And what those images revealed didn't match the story we believed. The moon isn't one consistent world. It's divided into 2 extremes. The near side, the one we see, is smoother, darker, shaped by ancient lava flows. The far side, the hidden face, is rough, chaotic, and heavily cratered. Same moon, same origin, but completely different histories. This difference has a name: the lunar dichotomy, and despite decades of research, it still isn't fully understood. Scientists have proposed explanations, but none are complete. Some say the crust is thinner on one side, allowing lava to reshape the surface. Others point to radioactive elements, generating heat and driving volcanic activity. There are even theories of a second moon, colliding billions of years ago. Each idea explains part of the mystery, but not all of it. And just when the puzzle seemed complicated enough, a new layer appeared. Because the moon isn't as dry as we once believed. Water ice exists in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. Molecular water has been detected even in sunlit regions. Tiny glass beads across the surface may be trapping hydrogen, storing water over time. A place we thought was lifeless may actually be more dynamic than we imagined. And that changes the stakes completely, because water in space isn't just important, it's essential. It can be turned into fuel, oxygen, and life support. Which means the moon is no longer just a scientific curiosity. It's a strategic target. The lunar South Pole in particular has become the focus of global attention. A region filled with ice, extreme conditions, and massive potential. The next missions aren't just about visiting, they're about building or staying on and expanding beyond Earth. And those Artemis II images, they're not just photographs, they're reconnaissance. They're helping scientists decide where humans can land safely. They're shaping the future of lunar bases and deep space missions. But beyond science and strategy, one moment captured something deeper. As the astronauts looked back, they saw Earth slowly disappear, not rising above the horizon, but slipping away into darkness. An Earthset, a quiet, powerful reminder of how small we really are. From that distance, everything we know becomes a tiny blue dot. And in that moment, perspective shifts. Apollo proved we could reach the moon. Artemis is proving we're ready to return, with purpose, not just to explore, but to understand and remain. The moon we thought we knew was only part of the truth. The real moon is more complex, more active, and far more valuable. It was never truly dead. We just stopped paying attention. And now, after half a century, we're finally looking again.